Okay, thank you for clicking on this video. You could have clicked on a different video, but somehow the title of this video made you curious to look at it, and that's much appreciated. This is a tiny little masterclass video for my Boomerang or for our Boomerang top team leaders. And I just want to discuss a term which is used in network marketing or used in community building, and the term is front loading. That's a term of professional network marketers or community builders that has to do with the first purpose of doing Zoom calls or presentations, webinars, seminars, live streaming sessions, or videos, whatever you do in order to inspire people to look at something. In this case, we are promoting and we are launching Boomerang, a fantastic, I think the world's first zero loss, zero risk and zero own collateral AI arbitrage crypto trading software. It is amazing, new technology. But in this case, by launching Boomerang, we are front loading, and the front loading procedures, the actual goal that you would like to achieve with your people is to have them register for free after they've seen the videos or the presentations or the Zoom. So always have a goal in mind, what to achieve with your presentations, etc. And in case of Boomerang, the front loading strategy and the result should be to have people register for free, 1. 2, upload MetaMask wallet on their mobile device or on their toolbar on their laptop, and get ready to buy or to have 510 USDT on the TRC20 network available. That is the front loading goal. So front loaders are very important people. They're people that inspire people to look at things so that actually inspiration is a word that you're able to give viewpoints or examples or videos or pictures or text, and by doing that you inspire people to make possible that which wasn't possible before. Listen to this. So you inspire people to make possible that which wasn't possible before, and you never know how to inspire people. So keep sharing different viewpoints on the same thing. For example, somebody needs to see a video, and it has everything to do with the other person's openness of mind, and you never know when someone has an open mind. So sometimes people need to see the same message and the same same products or services in 100 different ways, and all of a sudden they're inspired and they see possibilities, and you have no clue what inspired them. So keep sharing Boomerang in different matters, video form, pictures, words, even make a Boomerang song. Do your utmost best to explain Boomerang in different ways so that you inspire people to make a move to register for free, upload MetaMask, and buy and get ready with 510 USDT TRC20 in order to purchase their first license. So this is all about, front loading is all about inspiration. Inspiration to allow people to see, hear and experience different things of the exact same, or different viewpoints, different ways of the exact same thing. So that's why you see me, for example, not only make videos but also blog posts and text and pictures, etc, etc. So the inspiration that needs to be done in order to be a good front loader always plays on the basic instincts of the people to make that better. So we have a duty to project that upon others that are better, that is better than the version that they think of themselves. So people have basic instincts. The basic instincts of everyone on the entire planet is 1, personal sexual relations, 2, your ambition, 3, your safety, and 4, your own self-belief, the way you look at yourself. And safety has to do with shelter, food, clothing, money, protection, and so on and so forth. So those 4 basic instincts are which we need to which we need to remind people of, that they're better than they think of themselves. So we need to project an image of other people or upon other people in order to exaggerate, not lie, not deceive, but exaggerate people in order to have those 4 basic instincts better, using the products and services that we promote in this case Boomerang of We Are All Satoshi. So front loading has a lot of angles to it. Front loading, and somebody that is a good front loader is always a good inspirational source, very creative, always projecting better images, better how do you say it, pieces of mind, so that people get inspired by you. Actually, they get inspired by that which they see and how they preserve it, how they perceive it themselves. But front loading is an easy term to use, but it is an art on itself. So I use 3 sentences in order to inspire people, and those 3 sentences have all sales psychology in it. It is amazing. And those are the 3 magic sentences, because things are happening when you really use these words that you see in your screen. By simply, whatever people say or do, always say or think, hey, that's interesting. That's interesting, because the moment you think and you say that something is interesting, you shift to the highest state of consciousness and you become like a baby again. When you were still, let's say, 2 or 3 years old, the whole world was very interesting, and then your brain started working, you started to be a dualistic human being that can think and argue and reason. So interesting, to think or to say the word interesting, like for example somebody says something and then you say, hey, that's an interesting viewpoint, and then immediately start taking the lead in the conversation by saying, I'm just curious if you're open-minded to, for example, make money with OpenAI or create value with AI. I just found out that it's working. We have a way to create value with AI. Would it be okay to come on a Zoom or to look at this video in order for you to be involved and inspired by it? So those are the 3 magic sentences, and whatever people say in return is just something that lingers and lures down deep in their own consciousness. So you also help them voicing their secondaries, their doubts, and then immediately after that you say again, hey, interesting that comes up. I'm just curious if you now are more open to see something that I just found out. Would it be okay to just click on the link and see this video, or come on a Zoom, or register for free? So keep using those sentences as a response. It's not reacting but responding. And with using those 3 sentences, with the first sentence, when you say I'm just curious, you also help the other person to be in a higher state of consciousness, in an observer mode, so to speak. And when you say I just found out, you become the actual authority. It's not that you saw it somewhere, or it's not like you heard it through the grapevine. No, you found out, you become the authority, and since they already trust you, it's much better for them to say yes to what you suggest in the 3rd sentence, when you say, would it be okay to, or would it be okay when, or would it be okay if you look at a video, or come on a Zoom, or come to a conference or an event. And the sentence, would it be okay, literally gives the opportunity and gives the free will back to the other person for them to decide, instead of you indoctrinating them to do something against their will. So the psychology behind those 3 sentences, in the first sentence, I'm just curious, you literally don't need a spam, you're through the spam filter, you rise people's consciousness to the highest level, and they're open-minded by just the word curiosity, funny enough. And the second sentence, I just found out, that means that you are the authority, you authorize the actual words and the ideas that you share, and by saying, would it be okay if you 100% give the opportunity and give the decision back to the person to make their own free-willed decision, so they can never say and they never feel indoctrinated or forced or having done something against their will. And that all has to do with front loading. Simple word, but a lot of art behind it to practice and to be better at. So I'm just curious if you like this video. I just found out that when people really know these 3 sentences and the term front loading, that they're able to build huge communities. So would it be okay to just click links below and see the videos, or somewhere on this page click on videos somewhere on this YouTube channel to see more information about Boomerang? And would it be okay to just hit the little thumbs up button underneath this YouTube video? Then this video will be ranked a little higher on YouTube and on Google, for example. And would it be okay to hit a little bell icon? Underneath this YouTube video there's a little bell icon. When you hit that, you'll see you actually get noticed every time I or we upload a new video. And then you're always the early birds, and early birds do catch worms. And would it be okay if you become a member of this channel? Then you'll do me a bigger favor than I ever can do you. Would it be okay to share this video? So use the share option underneath this YouTube video in order to share this marvelous little masterclass of front loading and using the 3 magic sentences to everyone on your social media platforms. So start for free. There are registration links below this video in the description. No mandatory purchases. Take back control. Take the video tour as well. There's a link underneath this YouTube video where it says more video information. Please look at that as well. And click links below, no matter what, right away. Please do stop the video and read the disclaimer. Very important to also mention that in every publication. And no matter what happens, stay grateful. Stay grateful for the person that you would like to be. Be grateful with all your emotions, your feelings, your senses. Be grateful for the person that you would like to become, even though you're not it yet. Be grateful for the circumstances that you would like to live in, even though your circumstances suck at the moment. And be grateful for the material wealth, the fun stuff that you would like to enjoy here now on Earth. You don't have to die for it or join some religious or military cult or country in that case. Just be grateful and you'll see that your mind will open and you'll see thousands of times more opportunities than you saw when you're not grateful. The opposite is true too. So grateful people are always happy, healthy, wealthy, responsible, and useful. And people that are not grateful, and I'm definitely one of them a lot of times a day, but I need to literally think of staying grateful, because when you're grateful, there's no way then that you don't get a better life. So immediately, the moment you're grateful for the person that you would like to become, the circumstances and the material wealth, immediately your mind opens and you get an entire different lifestyle, different opportunities and different results on all levels, Grateful people, again, are always happy, healthy, wealthy, responsible and useful. The opposite is true too. So that's the most important thing. And if all fails, when all fails, believe me, helping other people helps the best. Thank you so much. Keep front loading, register for free, upload MetaMask, buy and get, or make sure you have 510 USDT on a TSC20 network available in order to purchase your first Boomerang license, and I'll see you on yours. Definitely thanks to all of that in the most wonderful resorts, top hotels worldwide, and on the most beautiful beaches of the world, because you're more and more than worth it, and that lifestyle is there for you too. Grab it. Thank you so much. Oh yeah, when you see this on a page where you can leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number, please do so. We'll send you appropriate video information via autoresponder systems, and you're able to take yourself off that list with a simple mouse click. Up to you.